Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a marketer, solopreneur, or content creator looking to supercharge your lead generation without the tech headaches, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into Subpage, a no-code, AI-powered tool that's been making waves on AppSumo. Let's explore how it can revolutionize your online presence. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's get started. What is Subpage? Subpage is a user-friendly platform designed to help you create and manage various subpages, like FAQs, blogs, changelogs, and more, without any coding or design experience. Whether you're building a help center or a lead magnet, Subpage has got you covered. Key features. No-code builder. Easily create subpages with customizable layouts that match your brand's aesthetics. AI-powered content generation. Generate product descriptions, legal policies, and glossary definitions effortlessly. Versatile widgets. Enhance your pages with cookie consent pop-ups, in-app support sidebars, and new article alerts, all without writing a single line of code. Team collaboration. Invite team members, assign roles, and manage permissions to streamline your workflow. Lead generation tools. Create gated content to collect leads, and export them via CSV or integrate with tools like Zapier and ConvertKit. Pricing and deal. Currently, Subpage is available on AppSumo for a one-time payment of $69, down from the regular price of $348. This lifetime deal includes all premium features and future updates. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below. Pros and cons. Pros. User-friendly interface suitable for beginners. AI-powered content generation saves time. Wide range of widgets for enhanced functionality. Cons. Some users have noted occasional sluggish performance. Limited GDPR compliance features may be a concern for some businesses. If you're looking for an efficient way to manage your website's subpages and boost lead generation without the technical hassle, Subpage is a solid choice. Its combination of AI-powered tools, customizable features, and team collaboration capabilities make it a valuable asset for any online business. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on the latest digital tools.